Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video, I'm going to show you how to buy eFootball coins with a Visa card. It is an easy and secure method. So let's get into it. So first of all, make sure that you have the eFootball game app, and we also need to make sure that it is updated. You can do so by going to either Play Store or App Store on your phone, like so, and just search for eFootball. And as you can see mine, it's written play, meaning it's updated. Just go ahead and click on play.
If your payment fails, don't panic. It's not a glitch. It's just your bank saying, are you sure you're not being scammed by football pixels again? Just retry or call the bank and say, yes, I meant to do this.
So, but if that's not working, you just need to go to shop while you are inside here like this. And you need to click on any coins or anything that you'd like to buy. Let me just try with this. And yeah, you can see the amount is being displayed here. Just tap on any coins that you want to buy, and you can see we have some means of paying. You can just tap on here, and you can add a credit or debit card or add a Visa. Like mine is already added. You can just add in here, and once you have added it, you can just click on buy, and but automatically it will just deduct the amount that is written there, and the bank may confirm whether you wanted to do so. And yeah, your Visa plus eFootball is equals to easy coins, no stress. And maybe a better midfield once you buy more coins. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.